I'm Kristina, I'm the founder and CEO of atlaseek. We're uniting the best travel content creators on a platform that makes it easier to support creators and explore unique destinations. The benefit for explorers and travelers is that they have tens of the best travel creators they can subscribe to with a single subscription and support multiple travel creators at the same time. So we won the competition by UNWTO for marketing and advertising. So that's why we're here. We were given the opportunity to present atlaseek in this beautiful forum. And why we won? Well, it's probably a question on the UNWTO, but I hope that they saw that content creators are really the next generation travel gurus, and destinations have to work with them and collaborate in order to present their destinations for the eyes of young travelers. We're based in the UAE, in Dubai. We started building our product 5 months ago and we launched just 2 months ago. So we're very early staged. However, we already have 19 creators on board with reached more than 5 million followers combined. Our main focus right now is to find and onboard amazing travel creators who will publish their guides, their travel stories, their videos on our platform and get support from the whole community and use the reach of our content creators for their benefit. And obviously we are also looking into partnering with travel boards and with travel businesses. Well, I never worked in tourism, to be honest. I'm a tech and product girl, so I worked in banking, in e-commerce. But my passion was always travel. Anytime I traveled, I tried to research the hidden gems and, not the top 5 things on TripAdvisor. And content creators were always a huge inspiration for me. So I every time went on YouTube, on Instagram, researched, what to do in that particular place. So I knew that I want to build my own thing after building products and teams for others. I saw that content creators are most solo players and working individually. And I think there's much more power when they work together. We have 2 subscription plans at the moment. There is a portion of the content on atlaseek is free. You can explore, just create your profile. And then we have a paid subscription plan. It's $8 per month or $6 if you get the annual plan. And you get all content from all the creators. And when you subscribe on the paid plan, 50% of your subscription goes to the creators you watch. So we track watch and read time of each content, and based on how do you engage with different creators, then we split the amount for them. It's the user subscribing who is keen to support content creators, because right now, more than 80% of travelers get inspiration from social media, and more than 50% of social media users are keen to support content creators and pay for unique content. So it's not like Patreon or YouTube where you subscribe and support individuals. Here you support the community. The multi-creator subscription is something that's new, and we really believe that the future of social media platforms is in curated and niche platforms that are focused on a topic. And our topic is travel. Well, we're an early stage startup, so for us to be visible and to get interview is a pleasure. There are so many startups rising up every day, so it's difficult to get attention. So for us, it's an honor to be talking with travel boards representatives, to travel brands. Right now we spoke on our stand here with so many people from different brands and tourism boards, where we see that we can help them to facilitate the partnerships between our creators who are verified. We know them personally, and we know that they're creating really amazing cultural content that can help promote their countries or their brands. And we're happy to connect them with our creators. Our website is atlaseek.com. You can explore the world. Our platform, the whole product, is based on a map. So we want people really to explore every country in the world and find these very maybe weird places or pins that are in the middle of nowhere. So the whole platform is a map with pins. So just go to atlaseek.com and find the most interesting pin and get transferred to a very unique country through the eyes of our content creators.